Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize database management with MongoDB. Full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of database management. Familiarize yourself with MongoDB's document-based structure. Install MongoDB on your local machine or server. Set up a test database to experiment with. Launch the MongoDB shell or connect using a GUI tool like MongoDB Compass. Create a new database using the command, use your database name. Design your database schema according to your application needs. Define collections that will hold your documents. Insert sample documents into your collection using the insert one or insert many commands. Learn to query your data using the find method to retrieve documents. Optimize your queries by using indexes, which can significantly increase performance. Create an index with the command db.collection.createIndex, field name 1. Use the explain method to understand the performance of your queries. Implement sharding to distribute data across multiple servers for improved scalability. Monitor your database performance using tools like MongoDB Cloud Manager. Regularly backup your data by using MongoDB's backup tools or third-party solutions. Ensure data integrity by using transactions where necessary. Review and refine your database schema as your application evolves. Stay updated with MongoDB's latest features and best practices. Test your database under load to identify potential bottlenecks. Continuously analyze and optimize your data models for efficiency. Document your processes and configurations for future reference. Implement security best practices to protect your data. Use aggregation pipelines for complex data processing tasks. Incorporate performance monitoring and alerting for proactive maintenance. Engage with the MongoDB community for support and knowledge sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.